Hello, this is Tamara Roberts. This is a presentation about the copyright lesson for Mrs. Smith's 10th grade English class following the Assure model. So for A, we have Analyze Learner. These are 10th grade English students. The first thing we'll want to do is check for prior knowledge with a short pretest or quiz. This could also be done with a poll, or if we want to make it more kinesthetic, to move around the room in a strategy called corners. And this will allow us to see what students already know. Differentiation will be applied in the product itself, which allows for two options. This will allow the students to choose the one that best fits their ability, interest, and learning style. Also, the teacher will be able to direct students to the project that she feels most fits their needs. The state standards and objectives is the AASL Standards Framework for Learners 6A, which says learners follow ethical and legal guidelines for gathering and using information by responsibly applying information technology and media to learning and understanding the ethical use of information technology and media. For the students, the learning target is to identify and demonstrate their knowledge of copyright rules by creating a product that shows their understanding. Strategies and resources. Students will review with a video. Then students will share with a Padlet. Students will use Canva or Flipgrid for their final product, and students and teachers will use the rubric to evaluate their work. So to utilize these resources, the students will view a video. The example given is a commonsense.org video that's fairly short about copyright and fair use. This would occur after the presentation as a follow-up. Students can then share what they've learned in the presentation and the video by responding to a Padlet, and this will allow a collaboration with their classmates to gather information for their final project. The project itself will inform their classmates about copyright using either of two products. They can either do a Canva infographic or a Flipgrid video presentation. So this will allow for a choice based on their learning style or also their ability. A teacher will evaluate their demonstration of knowledge with the rubric. So the ways that learners will be required to participate are viewing the video, posting to the Padlet, and completing one of the options of their demonstration of learning. And finally, to evaluate and revise. Students will be able to evaluate and revise with the rubric before submission. The teacher will evaluate the students' learning with the rubric, and then the teacher and librarian will both get together to evaluate and revise the lesson overall after the teacher has seen the students' demonstration of learning and evaluated those, so that any revision to the lesson can be discussed and used for the following year. Thank you.